this video I will show you how to install Probuilder on Unity in less than 1 minute. Click Window, go to Package Manager, then let it load. Look for Probuilder, hit install. Then Probuilder is installed in Unity, but you still can't see it, so go to Tools, Probuilder, Probuilder window. Right now you can just dock it wherever you would like, so maybe I want it right here. And you can just go to icon mode or use text mode or use the window as a floating window, so you can use it. And now you can just happily add things that you would like in Probuilder. So it is installed in Unity right now. Have fun! Please like the video if you liked the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell symbol. That way you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. And remember to have a great day. See you next time.